The Hugo2 collection combines engineering efficiency with breathtaking Italian-inspired design. No matter what size you need, all our towel rails excel when it comes to delivering exceptional heat output to keep your room warm and comfortable. The exquisitely designed heated towel rails are available in 10 different sizes and a range of colours, designed to complement a range of bathroom styles. Choose from Anthracite, Lusso Grey, Mont Blanc, Arabica, Gleaming Chrome and Matte Black. Every Hugo2 heated towel rail also benefits from colour-matched pipes and shrouds and valves, ensuring every installation looks as good as it should. Chrome towel hangers are available to make it easy to slide towels on and off the rail. This keeps the towel warm and ensures the bathroom gets maximum benefit from the Hugo2 heat output. Where central heating pipes are not available, the Hugo2 can easily be converted into an electric rail. A discreet, colour-matched bleed valve makes it easy to bleed the rails and maintain maximum efficiency. The range features a 10-year guarantee, providing peace of mind and reassurance that its good looks are designed to last. Tissino, designed to inspire, made to experience.